Who is SyTech?
SyTech was founded in 1991 as a system integrator, so integrating control software into industrial applications. And a lot of its customers had a need for reporting on their process data, which at the time SyTech was doing with custom code and custom applications. And the founders kind of thought at that point, wait a minute, maybe we have a product here. And so that was the beginning of XLReporter, which is a more packaged solution for industrial reporting that was made by engineers for engineers that doesn't require any advanced scripting or programming knowledge.
Where is the company situated?
We're here in Franklin, Massachusetts, which is about an hour south of historic Boston. And this area is also a hub of different automation companies, which throughout SyTech's history has been a big influence on what we do.
How many employees does SyTech have?
We've got about a dozen or so employees here at our facility, and we also work with external developers as well.
In what industrial areas does SyTech work in?
So we really work across all industries. We've never had a customer come to us and say, I'm from a certain industry, and we said, oh no, we don't support that. But our big ones are basically manufacturing, energy management, and water and wastewater treatment. We also work with machine builders who need to package HMIs and reporting packages onto the machines that they sell.
What products does SyTech produce?
So our product is XLReporter, which is reporting software for industrial applications.
How did your company first get in contact with HMS and our products?
So we actually had a customer who was using what is now a legacy product of HMS called eSync. And they were using that product to collect process data from remote sites and remote machines out in the field. Their problem was that even though they were collecting all this raw data, they didn't have any way to turn it into actionable information. For example, proactive maintenance reports or R&D analysis information. And so that's where XLReporter came in. They used XLReporter to cut through the data that's being logged by their Ewons and turn it into proactive maintenance reports that they're able to send back to their machine users to improve the performance of their machines. So our solution caught the attention of an HMS rep. At that point, we were able to get more insight into all the different avenues that we have to collect data and produce reports using an Ewon Flexi.
What was your initial need in partnership?
We kind of realized that the Ewon is a great entry point for us and a great bridge for XLReporter into the world of IoT and IoT reporting.
How and where do you use HMS product?
Using XLReporter with the Ewon Flexi, it's a very straightforward process. Basically, the Ewon Flexi out in the field is configured to collect data from the connected I/O. That data is then uploaded to a centralized location in the cloud. So if a customer has 50 or 100 Ewon Flexis, all the data is accessible in the cloud from a centralized location. At that point, XLReporter comes in and it just cuts through that massive raw data storage and turns it into actionable information in the form of reports, which can then be distributed as Excel workbooks, PDF, made available on web pages, and even emailed as attachments.
What benefits do you see from being an HMS solution partner?
So as far as the Ewon product itself goes, it's really an incredible device. It has so much functionality for its cost, and it bridges the gap between XLReporter and the IoT world. As far as the HMS partnership goes, they've really helped us out a lot. They provided a lot of exposure for our company and our product through their IoT partnership website. They've introduced us to new customers through the FlexThink conference. And we've also had a lot of quality direct engagement with HMS's sales team. We've been able to educate and train them on the use of our product so they can identify applications with their own customers where XLReporter could be a reporting solution.
Has the use of HMS products helped you to reach a larger or new market segment?
It's really expanded the functionality of what XLReporter is able to do and the types of customers that we're able to reach.
How can we learn more about SyTech and XLReporter?
Potential customers can find us on our website, which is SyTech.com. There you can find all types of information about XLReporter, the product, the functionality, marketing materials, and also instructional videos and tutorials so you can learn a little bit about how to use the product as well.
For more information about SyTech or XLReporter, visit SyTech.com. To learn more about being an HMS solution partner, visit hms-networks.com/solution partners.